Hi everyone, today I'm talking about eyeliner. There's so many different shapes that you can create with just this one little product. So let's start off with a basic line. Just line really close to your lashes, following the natural curve of your eye. Creating a basic line is a great place to start because it will outline your eyes and then we can figure out what eyeliner shape is going to work for you. It also creates the illusion of thicker lashes, which everybody wants. If you have deep set or hooded eyes, you'll find that you'll have to keep the line quite close to the lash line. If it's too thick, it just takes over the entire eye shape. If you have prominent eyes or a large eye shape where you have a lot of space to work with, you can make the line as thick or as thin as you like. Just test it out and see which one works for you. Now let's try thickening up the outer edge. This will actually pull the eyes apart from the middle, and it's great if you have close-set eyes because it leaves that inner corner very exposed. And if we add a flick to the end of that, it will actually elongate the eyes even more, so it's really pulling them apart from the center. If we were to fill in that inner corner, you can see how much rounder the eye becomes because we have the same thickness the whole way across, and it doesn't even matter that we have that flick there because we still have a rounder appearance. And this is great for people who have wide set eyes or elongated eyes because it pushes the eyes further together and creates a rounder shape. Another thing to consider is how you do the flick. The flick on the outer edge should be going up towards the brows to lift the eye shape. If it goes straight out or even slightly downwards, it will just drag the eyes further down and it's not a good look, especially for those people who already have a little bit of a drooping shape. Lift it and it will brighten the eyes. If you want to define underneath the eyes, using a liquid liner can actually be a little bit too harsh, and even though it's a fun little thing to try, it can look a bit too much. So instead go for a pencil, which you can then smudge out with your fingertips or a brush, and it's not as harsh and a bit more flattering. I put some more information in the description box with some styles that will suit your eye shape, but if you don't know your eye shape, don't worry because I've also linked my video where I talk about the different eye shapes and how to tell which one is yours. So hopefully that shall help you guys out, but I really want to see your eyeliner techniques, whether you do something different, whether you just want me to help you figure out what shape will suit you best, then I really want to see them. So hashtag the makeup chair or at Sinead Katie, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!